Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements: Windows 10/11 or modern Mac OS and updated GPU drivers because performance matters. Once confirmed, pick a live wallpaper app like Wallpaper Engine or Lively and download the official installer. This is faster and safer than third-party builds. While the installer downloads, close non-essential apps and free at least 500 MB so installation won't fail. Make sure you have admin rights. This prevents permission errors during setup and lets the app register as a desktop provider. You run the installer as administrator and accept the required permissions. This ensures the app can set itself as the desktop renderer. Once installed, open the app and import your video files. Use MP4 or WebM for compatibility, and choose loop and audio behavior so sound won't interrupt other applications. Then configure performance. Cap FPS, enable pause on full screen, and select GPU rendering versus CPU to reduce battery drain. These choices directly affect smoothness and system load, so adjust while testing. You finish by selecting the video and applying it as your desktop wallpaper, setting scaling and whether it should auto-start with the OS so the effect persists. Once active, monitor CPU and GPU usage. Make sure to lower quality or enable pause on battery if you see high load, because that preserves responsiveness. If you encounter a black screen or no update, restart Explorer on Windows or Windows Server on Mac OS, reinstall the app, or try re-encoding the video with a different codec. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.